Right then, ladies and gentlemen, the old Daimler. Here she is, look, what a lovely looking old car. Lovely colour scheme. Really, really suits it. I know it's personal opinion, but I think it really, really suits it. Very period correct. Hood's lovely. Runs sweet as a nut. Really nice. Bright work's really, really good. Dead level down the sides. Very minimal marks and such like. Bright work around the back's really, really good, look. As you can see. Lovely, lovely car. Really nice. A little bit of condensation there, look, but nothing serious. Elegant as well, isn't it? Wow, it is. So there you are. Just take a quick look inside, which is lovely. Door capping's a good look. Seats are aged, but not worn, which is lovely to see. 27,000 showing on the clock. Super sweet. Super sweet. There she is. Hood is really, really good, look. That's lovely. In the boot is very tidy in there. Oh my lord, that's heavy. Yeah, very tidy in the boot. Nothing to worry about there, I don't think. Lovely again. Barker & Co. Coach builders. Lovely, lovely car. Hood cover in the back there, look. Dashboard's lovely. Ever so sweet. Ever so sweet. There she is. Come down. Have a closer look. See what you think. Thank you.